Hey, Miss Marnick here. We are looking at repeated patterns, standard 4.OA.5. These are the steps we are going to use to help us solve these problems. So number one, the directions say show any work, write the rule for the pattern, which I can do right here, and then fill in the missing numbers, which are right here. Okay, so the first thing I need to ask myself is, are the numbers going up or down? So I can see 19 to 23 to 27, it's going up. So I'm going to draw my up arrow. My choices, if it's going up, are either going to be, if I look right here, addition or multiplication, because those are the operations that make the numbers get bigger. I need to figure out which one it is. So first, I'm going to check and see if it's addition. To check and see if it's addition, I'm going to use the inverse operation, which is subtraction. So to use subtraction to find the difference from 19 to 23, 23 is my bigger number. So I'm going to subtract 23 minus my smaller number, 19, and I get 4. If I get 4 again when I subtract my bigger number 27 from my now smaller number 23, that's a good chance that that's the rule. So 27 minus 23, I get 4 again. Since I did subtraction to check, the inverse of that is addition, so my rule is going to be plus 4. So I'll write my rule right here. My rule is plus 4. And now all I have to do is fill in my missing numbers by adding 4 every time. So 27 plus 4, I can use my calculator or do it in my head. I get 31. And then on the calculator, if I just hit my plus sign, just right down there, plus, it'll automatically keep the 31 of my last answer that I just got, plus 4, and I get 35. So there you go, there is number 1. Let's check out number 2. So number 2, first thing I ask myself, are the numbers going up or down? So 32 to 26 to 20, they're going down. You know what that means. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Draw an arrow going down while you're dancing. Then if it's going down, my choices are going to be subtraction or division, because those are the operations that would make my numbers go down. So I need to check and see which one it is. First, I'll check subtraction. If I'm going from 32 to 26, my bigger number is 32. So 32 minus 26, and I get 6. Now, if I do check my next two, 26 minus 20, find the difference, bigger number minus smaller number. If I get 6 again, which I do, 6, then I know that's my rule. Since I use subtraction to check that, I know that it's going to be subtraction. So my rule is going to be minus 6. So I'll write that right here. Now to get my answer, 32, I can even check 32 minus 6, I get 26. Then minus 6 again, I get 20. Now fill in the blanks, minus 6 more is 14. Minus 6 more is 8. All right, let's look at number 3. First thing I need to ask myself is, are the numbers going up or down? So 84 to 69 to 54, the numbers are going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. If it's going down, that means I'm going to subtract or I am going to divide. So I'm going to see which one works. I'll check subtraction first. So 84 and 69, 84 is bigger. 84 minus 69, I get 15. Now I need to check 69 and 54. So 69 is bigger. Minus 54, I get 15 again. So I'm going to put minus 15, because I use subtraction to check, right in my rule. Then I can check by 84 minus 15 equals 69. Minus 15 again equals 54. So minus 15 again equals 39. Minus 15 one more time equals 24. All right, let's do number 4. Number 4 is a little different because we have a number, then 2 blanks, and then a number at the end. But we still start this problem the same way. Are the numbers going up or down? 8, 15, and 36, they're going up. If it's going up, my choices are going to be addition or multiplication. So first I will check addition. The inverse of addition is subtraction. I always have to do the inverse if I'm going up. So 8 and 15, 15 is my bigger number, minus 8. I get 7. Now I don't have any other number to check with. So for now, I'm just gonna have to guess at 7. So I'm gonna put plus 7 here, but I'm not sure yet because I only checked one thing. I'll have to fill in the missing numbers and see if it works before I circle it and make it my official rule. So let's see. If I do 8 plus 7, I get 15. If I do plus 7 more, I get 22. Plus 7 more, I get 29. And now if I add 7 and get 36, I know that's my rule. So let's check it out. Plus 7, woohoo, 36. That means my official rule is plus 7. So I'll write it in right there. Let's check out number 5. First thing I ask myself is, are the numbers going up or down? So it's going up 3 to 18 to 108, definitely getting bigger. So I'm gonna draw my arrow going up. My choices are going to be addition or multiplication. Now, I can make a pretty good guess that it's going to be multiplication because when it's multiplication, my numbers are going to go up fast. So 3 to 18 to 108, that's really, really fast. If I compare it to an addition one, like a plus 4, 19 plus 23, 27, 31, 35, those go up a lot slower. So since I have a guess that this is going to be multiplication, I'm going to try division first. So with division, I always start with the bigger number. So 3 and 18, my bigger number is 18. And I'm going to check divided by 3. When I do that, I get 6. If I get 6 again, when I do 108, the bigger number, divided by 18, ooh, I do get 6 again. So that means that's my rule. I use division to check. That's the inverse operation of multiplication. So that's going to be my rule, times 6. Then I can check to make sure. So 3 times 6, I actually know this one. 3 times 6 equals 18. So I'm good there. Times 6 again is 108. That matches. Then times 6 again, 648. And one more time, times 6 is 3,888. 3,888. So the numbers get really big really fast. That's a good hint that it's going to be multiplication. All right, let's try number 6. 243 to 81 to 27. I ask myself, are the numbers going up or down? And it's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. So I'm going to draw my arrow going down. If it's going down, my choices are subtraction or division because those are the operations that make numbers get smaller. So I'm going to check 243 and then 81 and 27. They're going down pretty fast. So I'm going to check with division because when it's subtraction, they don't go down quite as fast. If I look at number 2, 32, 26, 20, 14, it's not as big of a jump as 243 to 81 to 27. So I'm guessing it's going to be division. Let me check that. I'm looking at 24 and 81, or sorry, 243 and 81. 243 is my bigger number, so 243 divided by 81. I get 3. So if I get 3 again, when I take my bigger number, 81, divided by my smaller number, 27, and I get 3 again. So I'm going to put my rule is divide by 3, write it on my line, and then I'm going to go ahead and check and make sure that makes sense. So 243 divided by 3, I get 81, that works. Then divide by 3 again, I get 27, so I'm good. I can just get my last two. Divided by 3 again equals 9. So I'll put a 9 right here on the line. And then divided by 3 again equals 3. Two more. Number 7. 2, 8 to 32. I'm asking myself, are the numbers going up or down? And the numbers are going up. If they're going up, my choices are addition or multiplication. They're going up pretty fast, so I'm going to check multiplication first. To do that, I need to try the inverse operation, which is division. So checking 2 and 8, 8 is the bigger number. Divided by 2, I get 4. If I get 4 again, when I take the bigger number 32, divided by 8, which I do, I get 4 again, I know it's going to be multiplication. So I'll write in my rule is times 4. Let's check and make sure. 2 times 4 equals 8. Times 4 equals 32. Times 4 again, I get 128. And times 4 one more time, 512. One more to go, number 8. First, I need to ask myself, are the numbers going up or down? 64 to 32 to 16. You know what that means. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. If it's going down, I draw my arrow. My operations could be subtraction or division. So 64 to 32 to 16, it's going down pretty fast. So I'm going to check with division first. So checking division, I would do 64 as my bigger number, divided by 32, my smaller number, and I get an answer of 2. If I get 2 again, when I do 32, my bigger number, divided by 16, my smaller number, I do get 2 again. So I know it is division. So my rule here is divided by 2. Now I can check to make sure I'm good. 64 divided by 2 equals 32. Divided by 2 again equals 16. So I know that's my rule. Divided by 2 again is 8. And divided by 2 one more time, I get 4. All right, nice job with the repeated patterns today. See you later.